Bona Spray Mop is the easy and comfortable way to keep your floors as good as new. It fits together quickly and easily in 3 simple steps. Fit together the pole and the mop handle. Lock the joint by lifting the green plastic collar. Fit the pole into the base of the mop by locking the retractable buttons into the small holes in the support. Now all you have to do is attach the pad to the mop head and open the cartridge of cleaner and put it into its correct place. To clean, lightly mist the surface. The spraying system ensures the product is distributed on the floor in a controlled and even way. This ensures a safe working method. For difficult stains, such as scuffs and sticky spills, apply the wood floor cleaner directly and leave for a couple of minutes before wiping with the mop. To keep your wooden floors clean, you do not need to use acid products. It has been transferred onto the microfiber pad. When the mop is dirty, put it into the washing machine. The mop can be washed at 60 degrees Celsius and it can be washed over 300 times. Bona Spray Mop has an ergonomic design which protects your back and neck while you are cleaning. The rotating head makes it so much easier to get into small areas and corners. The wood floor cleaner cartridge is easily refillable. Before cleaning the floor, remove all the dust by using the Bona Dusting Pad. To fit it onto the mop head, place it on the base and apply slight pressure. Dirt and grits must be removed by vacuuming before using the spray mop. Use the dusting pad to remove dust and fluff. Its electrostatic properties efficiently trap dust in one sweep. If the floor has any small scratches, the new way of cleaning and maintaining your floors is called Bona Spray Mop.